Hello YouTube, in today's video I'll show you how a Telegram scraping script works. What it is basically, it's a script that allows you to collect usernames from a Telegram group. So to give you a perspective, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and join a random group, let's say Meta Hero, right? And they have 40,000 members. And let's say I want to collect all those members, their usernames, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join this group. Let me verify myself. There we go. And then I'm going to run this script. This is a Python script. Now it's going to ask me for the auth code. There we go. Copy, paste. And then when I press enter, it will try to log in. There we go. This is my VPN. As you can see now, the script shows me it's asking me which group to scrape from. As you can see, there's the Meta Hero group, and I'm just gonna press 0. Hold on, 0, and then enter. Now it's fetching all those members, 40,406. It's a lot of members, so it may take some time. Alright, so it successfully scraped the entire members list. Now if you go to the member CSV file that it generated, we can see the list. When were they recently online, their access hash, the name, group, and so on. Let me try to clean this up a bit. Delete this. Delete this. Let me go over here. Now what I can do is I can filter out and see the most recent accounts that were online. And yeah, it's very useful if you use like a mass DM bot or a mass ad bot. It's very useful to have this scrape bot so we can collect all these usernames without having to type in one by one. So yeah, let's try to sort this out. Let's try to do blanks, delete them. Okay, so we have the entire list. Exactly, I don't know how much there is, but there's about 40,000 usernames, or maybe less. Yeah, it might have, I think I accidentally deleted a couple. But anyways, this is how the scraping bot works. If you're interested to get one, I'm giving this one for free. All you have to do is like the video and subscribe to my channel, and you have to send a screenshot of the of the video that you've liked and subscribed, and send it to this email right over here. And then if I see that you liked and subscribed, I'll send you the script. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.